fucking thing.
Okay, go ahead.
Well, now let me tell you a story about my mama. You see, my mama was a nice young little Polish lady, right? Now, my daddy, he had his legs blown off in Vietnam, but so he had two metallic legs. That's right, they made of metal, and they was rusty as hell. Well, we was staying at a hotel because on account of his VA visits and stuff. Well, now, my mama and my daddy been dancing. I'm up in the room playing some fancy music on their radio thing, right? I ain't never had one because, well, you know, my house, we ain't got no electricity or indoor plumbing. So anyway, I'm playing around upstairs and, well, I accidentally knocked the radio out of the window. Well, I didn't know my mama was walking on down and that radio done fell on her head and killed her. Well, you know, we redneck a little bit, so all we had to do was go bury out in the backyard. I don't know where the tombstone is, but there's a tree somewhere she near. Shit. Now let me tell you something about my daughter. My daughter is a sweet little thing. I don't know who her mama is. I just got a call from the hospital one day. You need to come pick up your daughter. Well, I came in there and they said, you know, your daughter got rosacea. I don't know what the fuck that is, but I named her rosacea anyway, because it just sounds like a pretty name. Well, I still don't know who the mama is. They did a paternity test thing, and I just know I'm the daddy. Now, you have any questions you'd like to ask?
Yeah. Why are you dealing with the baby?
I don't understand a damn thing you just said.
I said, why are you dealing with the baby?
Well, shit, I ain't gonna turn over to no adoption home or nothing.
Oh, man.
I don't want no Chinese person adopting my baby. You know, white people adopt Chinese babies all the time. I don't want the reverse to happen. Ain't no telling what could happen. She might grow up knowing kung fu and speaking ching chong ching chong.
Come back and whip your ass.
Oh, I don't think so. No.
No.
But my daughter is very smart. I read her Green Eggs and Ham every day. That's all she ever wants me to read. That's all I know how to read. I can't read too much. I mean, all I got is my Johannes Gutenberg Bible thing. That's all I really need. You only need the work of the Lord. Everything else in the house, either toilet paper or kindling.
Kindle.